In this video, I'm going to give some fine points by differentiating between PAN card, tax deduction account number and taxpayer identification number. In terms related to income tax can be very confusing, some might sound similar, some might have different meanings and purposes, with numerous words commonly popping up when we file taxes or approach the income tax department. So to clarify this entire process, it can actually make your life much easier. Some of the most common terms we come across are PAN, TAN and TIN. Each has subtle variation which can simplify your word of tax. Now let's talk about PAN. PAN is also known as permanent account number. This is a unique 10-digit alphanumeric code. This is issued by the income tax department and it's definitely mandatory requirement for every entity indulging in economic activity beyond a certain financial limit in India. This acts as a universal identification code for financial transaction. There are two forms to be filled. Form 49A for Indians, Form 49AA for foreigners. And the charges are applying for PAN is 93 rupees for Indians and 864 for international addresses. So if you fail to comply these rules, you can be imposed of 10,000 rupees as well. Documents to apply for PAN card, all you require is valid ID proof, address proof, photographs in case of individuals, and proof of age which shows your date of birth. Tax deduction account number. This is a unique 10-digit alphanumeric code whose primary purpose is to relate to deduction or collection of tax. You have to fill in Form 49B for this tax deduction account number and it is only 65 rupees. A penalty of rupees 10,000 can be imposed for failure to comply with the rules. And the documents required is just all you need to apply an online application with a signed acknowledgement needs to be submitted. Next is a taxpayer identification number. Taxpayer identification number, it's a 11-digit numeric code which is mandatory for traders or dealers who participate in transactions which attract VAT. If you are a dealer or trader who are actually having an interstate trading, businesses are expected to have a taxpayer identification number. A TIN is also called as VAT number or sales tax number. In fact, for many individuals, this might be confusing terms as well. So different states have different acts under which TIN is applicable. So even the forms, cost, penalties varies from one state to another. So the documents required for this is proof of registration, PAN, ID proof of owner. The documents required are likely to vary depending on state to state. Thank you.